Hey, let's do a at the wheel review. I had a great vehicle this week, and it was the 430i BMW convertible. Of course, this is the vehicle that is a little bit controversial to some, and it's controversial because of the grille. It has some big changes for this model year. This is the second generation of the car, and it gets a soft top, which will fold away or fold up in about 18 seconds. There's no latching. There's no anything you have to do other than press a button. And I have to say, as far as convertibles go, this looks great with either the top up or the top down. It folds away really neatly. There's sort of a piano black trim piece and a tonneau cover. And I was actually able to use this vehicle with the top down because typically when I get a convertible vehicle to test, it typically rains all day and for the week that I have it. But I was actually able to, after the show last week, go out and do some top-down motoring with this vehicle and put it to the test. And I have to say I enjoyed it. This is the 430i, not the 440i. The 430i comes with a turbocharged four-cylinder. And the horsepower was not huge, but I think it did a great job of moving this vehicle along. The quality that they put into this vehicle is pretty neat, I have to say. And while it was not an M version of the car with the bigger engine, it had some of the little bits and pieces of M trim that I think set it off, and a great looking vehicle. Now, the grille, of course, is specific to the 4 Series. And I had about 5 neighbors in my driveway debating the grille. There's a lot of BMWs around here, and a lot of them did not like it. They thought it was too big, and I said, well, you have to look at what Audi has done, what Lexus has done, and you know, that has kind of been a style where the grille goes all the way down to the front of the vehicle. And some liked it, some didn't. Yeah, 4-cylinder, turbocharged, 255 horsepower, 295 feet of torque. If you opt for the 440i, you would go up to the 6-cylinder with 382 horsepower and 364 pound-feet of torque. Was it fast? Not really. Not really fast, but it was more a cruiser, top-down cruiser. You can put that top down, as I said, in 18 seconds. It works great. There's still decent storage in the trunk. There is a fairly big open area, although the trunk lid is kind of small. But there's a fairly big open area, and then there's a kind of a shelf or a slot underneath where the top goes down. Interior was really nice. Ours had that M package, which brought in things like aluminum tetragon trim, the M steering wheel, the M sills, a whole bunch of other things. The rear seat, not a lot of room, not a lot of leg room at all, but the front of the vehicle was quite roomy, and it was comfortable to drive. Very nice fit and finish all the way around the vehicle. Felt solid with the top down or the top up, whether you had all the windows down or you had the side windows up when you were driving. This one had a $500 option, the neck warmer, which is a little bit of a vent on the front of the head restraints, and it would blow a little hot air there. That was a $500 option. I don't know. Would I get that? I don't know. Probably not. I love the dashboard, the fact that you could see the navigation right in front of the driver. It was a glass cockpit. If you've driven a BMW in the recent couple of years, you will recognize all of the controls for the on the dashboard, very similar to other BMWs. But I thought this had a good look. It was not a hard riding vehicle, does not have huge wheels, but it is a sporty vehicle. 255 horsepower, moves it along pretty nicely. Now let's talk about the pricing, shall we? Now, the 430i CV is base price of $53,100. Ours was in the mineral white metallic, really nice metallic white, mother of pearl type of look. We had a Tacora red leather interior with contrast stitching. That was a $1,450 option. We had the ZDH dynamic handling package, which included the Sport differential and the M Sport brakes with red calipers. That was a $2,400 option. And then we had the M Sport, which brought in some of those cool appearance features and also some of the great features that you would really want, like variable sport steering, without lines designation outside. I'm not quite sure what that is. 19-inch M-spoke bicolor wheels, very attractive. Adaptive M suspension. That aluminum tetragon trim I told you about. The M steering wheel. LED fog lights. We got a parking assist package. Did not really use that much. $700. Premium package. Heated steering wheel. Comfort access. Keyless entry. Heated front seats. Ambient lighting. Head-up display. Live cockpit. Pro, including Navi. $2,300. So all in, we popped for the Harman Kardon surround sound system, which was not that much more. All in, net total was $66,225. Destination charge $995. Out the door price $67,000. $67,220. So BMWs are not the least expensive car you can buy, but they're sure one of the most fun cars you can drive. Me, I was okay with the large grille. It was okay. But that is your At the Wheel review of the 430i convertible. Time for me to say I'm Fred Staab. Don't forget to check us out at cruisecontrolradio.com, and we'll see you down the road.